Guys, Ryan from Argyll Motorsports here. I just wanted to touch on the new 2019 early release Yeti. This is the 129 SS, and basically what they've done is they put new Elka shocks stage 3 in it. We've been riding this for 3 days and we haven't had one failure yet. We've put it through the test a little bit to see what it could do, and it's gone everywhere that we've wanted it to. Morgan, can you kind of touch base on a little bit on how the track and how everything kind of works? And
well, they've set the rails at 6 inches, track's 10 inches wide, so it gives you that pivot point where you get the full moto feel. Having the brake system now is great. Now you have full control of the bike. Coming over a cliff or anything like that, you got brakes. The 129 SS is a hands-on bike for getting anywhere back here.
Gas tanks will be available. Early deposit, a new 2019. We have them at Argyll Motorsports right now for early release, and we're doing the snow checks as we speak right now. So please give us a call, 780-435-6811. You can ask for myself, Ryan Dixon, or any one of the sales staff, and we'll get you going.
Get yourself on the Ferrari of snow bikes.
Nice.